my mom.
I've never done anything like it before.
It was pretty intense.
It was scary and fun, and it was like being on an unsafe roller coaster.
Last week, I feel like I could have done a lot better. I wasn't really doing improv. Actually, the first time I actually even seen a show was tonight, and I learned a lot.
I thought that last week was really fun.
I only got up to be in 2 scenes because my team got immunity.
I loved it. I loved all of it.
I'm gonna get called something terrible by Brian, no matter what happens.
Brian did not disappoint as the Grinch.
Terrifying.
He called somebody else a fart.
I am expecting a challenge.
There is the great unknown that we don't have any idea what's going to happen.
I'm planning to have to do something by myself, which I didn't have to do last week.
Well, I'm expecting to not get cut.
Well, I'm scared to be cut.
I just want to survive one more night.
Looking forward to getting more stage time today and really hitting my groove.
I think it's going to be twice as good as last week.
Just gonna have fun. That's all.
I want to win.
Anything else?
No.